ideology doesn't even exist in the Arabic language.
If you try to bring down Muslim ideology within the poles of East and the West, then you'll have a confusion.
आप चाहते हैं निज़ाम बर्पा करना, इंक़िलाब लाना, आप चाहते हैं इस्लाम को बर्पा करना, उसको भी जान दीजिए.
I could no longer maintain the line of Islamism.
Radical militant organization which is banned in many countries of the world.
बंदूक की नोक पर जब हुकूमत कायम की जाती है तो आप उसके लिए इस्लामी का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Saudi Arabia, Iran, Afghanistan, three countries on the face of the modern globe where Islamic laws have been implemented in one way or another. One is a monarchy, the other a theocracy, and the third one is now a democracy.
And wish him and the American people all the best.
Welcome to the State of Sharia. It is often stated that if an Islamic government will be established in this world, its political structure will be a theocracy with all power vested in the hands of the clergy. What is an example of a theocracy? Let's take the Vatican City. The smoke coming out of these chimneys is the announcement of the selection of a new pope, the head of clergy who will be the sovereign ruler of the Vatican City, an independent city-state within the city of Rome, having a population of just about 900 people. Does this Christian state of Sharia, which is also the smallest country in the world, have a say in world affairs? Not much, but you can always find advocates who say that it has. But when it comes to the only other theocracy in the world apart from the Vatican, the Islamic Republic of Iran is the center of attention in world politics. Imam Khomeini is considered to be the founder of modern-day Iran, the only Shia Muslim state in the world today and the second Shia Muslim state in the history of Muslims after the fall of the Fatimid Empire. All these pictures are from the Iranian Revolution, which was mainly brought about by Imam Khomeini. Now today, the government structure of Iran is a mix of religious scholars and democratically elected parliamentary leaders. And this combination has proved to be quite problematic for the West because Iran today enjoys the status of a regional superpower and is also among the only few states which are in a state of direct conflict with the United States of America. Today, a large number of men, women and children gather over here, both Shias and Sunnis, for his death anniversary.
Allah ki janib se aane wali umeed, नसीम रहमत, नसीम उम्मीद, नसीम नवेद और खुशखबरी इमाम खुमैनी की शख्सियत ईरान के मुआशरे में आई.
With these slogans, they announced their hatred towards America and Israel, and also their trust in the supreme leadership of the Ayatollah. There were 5 million of such men and women who greeted Ayatollah Khomeni when he returned to Iran after an exile of 15 years. Controlling the Islamic Revolution from Iraq and France, where he lived during the exile, was not an easy job. But his efforts bore fruit in 1979. Shah Raza, an American ally ruling the country, fled to the United States with his family due to security reasons. It was time now for the Shiites to establish their state of Sharia.
البته سن من در اوایل پیروزی انقلاب خیلی کم بود.
I was in middle school at the time, maybe 11 years old. But even at that age, me and all of my friends at school, we understood what the revolution was all about. Our teachers would teach us about it. They would teach us the verses of the Holy Quran that stated that the Almighty only helps those who help themselves. And it was these same verses which also taught us that whoever works for the Almighty.
Sayyid Hussain Taghizadeh was young at the time of the revolution, but he remembers the Imam and his times. As the Director General of the Iranian Cultural Center in Karachi, his job is to promote his country's culture.
I just cannot express what I felt when I saw the Imam. He was so calm and he was so peaceful. And everyone was ready to sacrifice his life on the Imam's orders. But he was not a proud man at all. He was the true follower of Imam Hussain, one who can die but not bow down in front of any oppressor. He was the actual spirit of the revolution. Whenever he said something, everyone followed it.